Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and today I've got some, drop me scissors, sorry. I've got some happy mail from Reggie over at J-Hook Crochet. I'll put her link below. So let's see what's in the box. If there's any crinkle, I apologise, but there's nothing I can do about it. But just giving you a little heads up about crinkle alert. Let's see. Ooh. Wow. Oh my word. Some tissue paper. Whoops. And oh, she sent me a little bit of toffee and a knitter's ruler, and then oh, I've got some stitch markers off. Oh, I've got handmade with my whole heart. And I've got some stitch markers too. Look at them knitting stitch markers. Look at them, aren't they fab? Hope you can see them. Oh, thank you. I need to get myself some, oh look, some Addy Cray short, oh, they're the short needles. Ah, I know. Oh, there's 3 of them, so oh, they'd be ideal for the toes, guys. Excellent, thank you, Reggie. It's all to do with knitting this. Oh my gosh, I've got some books as well. And then she put in her Facebook group, she said that she had some bamboo needles, and if anybody wanted them, just to give a shout out. So I did, and I've got the full set, and they go from 2.5 all the way up to 12mm, and they're in this lovely case. Isn't that fab? Thank you, Reggie. You've made me day. You've made my day, thank you. So just roll these over. Yay! Isn't that nice? And they're cut from Cutesy Co. So that's that. Oh, I've got some, what year is this? 2013 to 2014, guys. Oh, there's some beautiful stuff in here. Let me see if I can get any pictures. Look at that, faux fur. Look at the jumper on the back. Real Vogue. Let me see. That's nice, that's a nice jumper with leggings. Oh, that's nice, that's unusual, isn't it, guys? What else have we got? Some really nice things in it. I'm just trying to see. Look at that. That's nice as well. So there's that one. Oh my lord, this is a Canadian. What year is this? Doesn't say a year. Unless it says it's called the Knitters Magazine. Oh, 1995. Wow. 1995. Some Look at them, vests and waistcoats and stuff. Wow. Look at these. Wow. Some nice patterns in here. Socks. Look at that waistcoat. So that's them two, and then the last one is a Fatto a Mano, €3. Look at that. I wonder what year this is. Look at these. Really nice. Oh, look at them. They're cute. Oh, it's felted fashion. Felted fashion. But what you could use is, you could use the and make something for yourself. Yeah, it's all about felted fashion. Very interesting. I mean, look at that. You could use that for crochet pattern. So thank you so much, Reggie, for my happy mail. I'm absolutely delighted. They will definitely come in handy, and I will enjoy the chocolate. Thank you, Reggie. I'll put Reggie's link below, and I'll put the link to Etsy shop as well. So thank you. I'll keep this tissue paper. You never know when it comes in handy. Just make sure there's nothing else in the box. No. And that's it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you are new here, welcome. And also welcome to all my new subscribers as well. And if you are new here, hit the bell icon twice so you get a notification of all my videos. I go live on a Wednesday at 5 PM British Standard Summertime, which is 12 noon Eastern. And until next time, guys, take care, stay safe, but more importantly, take care of you. And I'll see you all again real soon. Bye.